Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about basic input-output in Python. Input and output operations are fundamental in Python programming. Input involves obtaining data from users or external sources, while output entails displaying data to users or saving it externally. In Python, the input function captures user input and the print function showcases output to users. These functions are pivotal for basic input-output interactions in Python. An example scenario would be a program that prompts users to enter their names using input and then greets them by printing a personalized message using print. The script showcases the use of the input function in Python to obtain user input. The function requests the user's name, which is then stored in the variable name. Subsequently, the print function is utilized to produce a greeting message incorporating the user's name. This process efficiently facilitates interaction with users, allowing personalized outputs based on their inputs, ultimately enhancing user engagement and program interactivity. This mechanism streamlines the user interface experience and boosts the program's usability and inclusivity. In Python, the print function is used to display output. An example code snippet is shown, where a message is combined with the value stored in a variable using string concatenation. The variable age is given a value of 25, and the output will show I am 25 years old. The print function helps in showcasing results to users or debugging during program execution. Input and output in Python is like ordering food at a restaurant and getting your meal. The user inputs their order to the waiter, just like how a program takes input from the user. The chef prepares the meal based on the order, just like how a program processes the input data. Finally, the waiter serves the meal to the customer, just like how a program outputs the processed data. This analogy can be converted into a program where the user inputs their order, the program processes it, and then outputs the finalized result.
Hey, code conquerors, ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Visit our site and take your coding dreams to new heights.
The code snippet provided above demonstrates a simple program in Python that mimics the process of ordering food at a restaurant. Here's a breakdown of each component. 1. Take order function. This function is responsible for taking user input, which represents the customer's order. It utilizes the input function to prompt the user to enter their order. The input provided by the user is then returned by the function. 2. Process order function. Upon receiving the user's order, this function processes the order by appending the string preparing to the front of the order. This simulates the chef preparing the meal in the kitchen. The processed order is returned by the function. 3. Serve order function. Once the order has been processed, this function is called to serve the processed order. It simply prints out a message indicating that the order has been served along with the processed order text. 4. Main. Finally, in the main program block, the workflow of the restaurant simulation is executed. The take order function is called to obtain the user's order, which is then passed to the process order function to simulate the meal preparation. The resulting processed order is then passed to the serve order function to complete the restaurant experience by serving the meal. This code snippet provides a straightforward illustration of how basic input and output operations are carried out in Python. It showcases the interaction between the user input, the processing of that input, and the subsequent output based on the processed data. Basic input-output in Python is not limited to restaurant analogies. It is widely used in various industrial and real-world applications to interact with users, process data, and provide outputs efficiently. One common example is in the field of data analysis. Researchers and data scientists often use Python's input and output functions to collect raw data from sources, process and analyze the data, and then present the findings in a readable format. This streamlined process enhances the efficiency and accuracy of data analysis tasks. Another practical application of basic input-output in Python is in automated testing. Quality assurance engineers utilize input and output functions to simulate user interactions with software applications, input test data, execute test cases, and generate test reports. This automation significantly speeds up the testing process and helps identify issues early in the software development lifecycle. By leveraging basic input-output capabilities in Python, industries worldwide can streamline operations, improve decision-making processes, and enhance overall productivity. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.